only in South Africa you would expect such a thing. Ama-fans Orlando Pirates are supporting Kaizer Chiefs, ama-fans Kaizer Chiefs are supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. Wishi nje. Hlangana akekho umuntu ofuna ukusupport team yakhe because banama agendas wabo. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PKS Sport News and Insight. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle. Danko. Today we're going to discuss about a game that we are going to play against Mamelodi Sundowns. It is a serious game because we know very well that after Soweto derby, the game versus Sundowns is the Gauteng derby. It is also important and it is as big as the Soweto derby. So here there are fans. I won't say good all of the fans of the Kaizer Chiefs, not all of the fans of the Orlando Pirates, but everyone have their own agendas because Orlando Pirates want Kaizer Chiefs to defeat the Mamelodi Sundowns because that will slow down their title race hopes, and Kaizer Chiefs fans want to lose against Mamelodi Sundowns because they don't want to see Orlando Pirates winning the league. Yabona nje ukuthi hey, wish, but unfortunately in football you have to win your games as a team and every game is important. There's no way that Kaizer Chiefs can decide to lose against the not Orlando Pirates, I mean Mamelodi Sundowns. And there's no way that Mamelodi Sundowns would want to lose against Kaizer Chiefs. It's all about good in the field of play. What did you bring as an element of a surprise? How did you set up in order for you to win in that particular day? So I'd say nje ukuthi umazibambela xoxo nexoxo liyasiqhumela. But in this game we know very well ukuthi what should you expect. The last time Kaizer Chiefs defeated Mamelodi Sundowns in the league was back in 2021, the 5th of April. So not the 5th man, I'm making a mistake, the 25th of April. It simply means good league Kaizer Chiefs are finding it difficult to defeat Mamelodi Sundowns, and Mamelodi Sundowns are not making it easy for Chiefs also. Because right now, I'd say Guti, Kaizer Chiefs recently lost against Iswelele FC. Mamelodi Sundowns won 2 games in 1 week against the same team. So you tell Guti which one needs it the most. But to be honest, both teams need the 3 points. Because Mamelodi Sundowns, if they don't win, it simply means good they are dropping points. Orlando Pirates wins their game. Their hopes are high again that they can win the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs, they need to win this game. Why? The coaches are under pressure because this game, I'd say it is the one that is going to give them that green light. You are not going anywhere. You will still coach Kaizer Chiefs next season. The stakes are high, so there's no room for error. And also, Kaizer Chiefs need to win this game to avoid AmaZulu catching up on them. Because if Kaizer Chiefs loses this game, simply means good AmaZulu, when they win their next game, they'll be only 2 points behind the Kaizer Chiefs. And when they play against Kaizer Chiefs, they'll try to defeat the Kaizer Chiefs, so that they close the gap and they leapfrog the Kaizer Chiefs, and then they get that CAF Confederation spot. So the stakes are high. So if there are people that think the Kaizer Chiefs must lose on purpose, hey, they have another thing coming. There's no way. I believe Guti, there might be a rivalry, there might be banter, but when it comes to a team, there's no such thing Guti they might lose on purpose. Konke kwenzeka in the field of play. And now we know very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, when they play against Mamelodi Sundowns, they have to set up in a certain way so that they can avoid a defeat, to avoid being humiliated. Konke ke engichaza ukusho la ukuthi there's no room for error. Amakhosi lawa abafisa ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs idliwe, angiboni ukuthi that's a good idea, because we also need the points, because it's not over until the fat lady sings. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi every game for iKaizer Chiefs, it's like a final game to them, especially the remaining 4 games. They want to finish on a high, so it simply means that they have to try by all means to get the points, because the pressure is there, not only for the coaches but also for the players, also for the club. Ukuthi finishing as number 3, it is a huge improvement comparing to the last 3 seasons. So it simply means good to Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf, as they've said, good, it was a good thing. Good, there's a big game coming after the loss against Iswalel. That simply means good. Okay, simply means good. They have to work hard in terms of trying to outclass Mamelodi Sundowns. So that simply means good. They also set a standard for themselves as the coaches. As they've said, good, it could have been better if they managed to break the record of Ernst Middendorp. 57 points ku season ka 2019-20, or maybe higher than that, ba break Stuart Baxter 69 points ku season ka 2014-2015. But with the games that are remaining, it's highly impossible that they might break any of those records in terms of points accumulated in a single season. So in this game, we know very well ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs at the back kuke kwaba na that slight injury ekaMakhadi when he was substituted for uMiguel against Iswalel. In the middle of the park, it was said ukuthi uNdlovu got an injury when they played against the Orlando Pirates. You wouldn't blame him because amathekeze bewenza in that game as a whole. But to be honest, the Kaizer Chiefs stand a chance if they might play with that belief that they might win. But if they will pay too much respect to their opponents, hey, they might lose the game even before playing it, because they know very well good. How does it feel to play against Mamelodi Sundowns? The game against the Orlando Pirates in the derby, that was not a game whereby they had to show their quality, but there they had to show grit. Even in this game, that's what should be done. Show grit. Work hard. Work as a collective, not as individual. Make sure there's cohesion in the team, from the back, middle, and also up front. You know, whenever we play against Mamelodi Sundowns, it was only this season, when the season started, where we played the Mamelodi Sundowns and drew 0-0, whereby Kaizer Chiefs wasn't showing that much respect. But now that Mamelodi Sundowns found their groove, I think Kaizer Chiefs might try to be different in terms of approach in this game. But losing it deliberately, if they lose, they will lose because they were defeated easily like that, not because bona bebafuna ukudliwa. There's no way. Ayikho team engaya ku matches nje ukuthi vele siyodliwa just because you want to spite Orlando Pirates. There's no way. There's no way. Nyala. We need these 3 points as much as Mamelodi Sundowns need these 3 points. So it's up to the players and the co-coaches with how will they approach this game. Nina niyibona kanjani? So it's better ukuthi udliwe Sundowns to avoid Orlando Pirates winning the league, or you have to win the game that you are going to play against Sundowns to increase your hopes of to finish on a high, which uzobuyela next season Africa and then try to make amends, rectify the mistakes that you've made in the previous season. Hayi asikhulumeni bakwethu. Kodwa le yokudliwa ngamasiboma hayi angikhondoni.